Baiklah, selamat sejahtera semua. Hari ini kita akan belajar satu topik baru, iaitu kata kerja. Kata kerja means a verb, alright? Verb. Now let's see, what is verb? What is kata kerja? Kata kerja ialah perkataan yang menerangkan, a word that describe apa yang kita buat, what we do, atau perbuatan harian kita, what we do every day. So you need to remember what is verb. Verb, kata kerja. Kata kerja is a thing that we do every day. Okay, what we do, that is kata kerja. Let's see a few example of kata kerja in Malay, dalam bahasa Melayu. Okay, usually in Malay you will see, okay, there's a word ber. Okay, berduduk, berdiri, berhenti. Means that is a verb, kata kerja. Or you will see the word that start with imbuhan ter. Tersenyum, terjatuh. Okay, smiling or fall. Okay, okay, mostly major in Malay. Okay, mostly in Malay's word. Okay, there's a lot of imbuhan There's many words start with imbuhan Okay, for example, melihat, menulis, menari, mengambil. Okay, when you see the word start with M-E-M-E-N, okay, M-E-N-G, that is a verb. So you need to remember that. Okay, and there's also a word that without imbuhan, tanpa imbuhan, without prefixes. Okay, for example, ketawa, jalan, and bangun, and so on. Okay, there's a few example of it. Okay, and now the first one that we need to learn today is kata kerja transitif. Okay, kata kerja transitif. When you see the word transitif means menerima objek. After the verb, there is an object. Mesti ada objek selepas kata kerja itu. After the kata kerja, the object is a noun. Okay, not really an object, but we call it object. Okay, it's a noun, kata nama. Okay, now kata kerja memerlukan objek. Okay, kata kerja transitif dia memerlukan objek. If there is no object after the verb, the sentence will be not complete. We don't know what's the meaning of the sentence. Okay, dan objek hadir selepas kata kerja transitif. After the verb, there must be an object. Okay, mesti ada kata nama. There must be a noun. Okay, dan you must remember object completes the meaning of the sentence. Okay, dia melengkapkan makna ayat. Okay, do you understand? If you don't understand, it's okay. We will move on. You will see what's the meaning of the object. Okay, see the first one. Contoh kata kerja transitif. So when you see transitif means it need an object after it. Okay, mengambil, taking. So Farah mengambil buku. See, there's an object. Mengambil, taking. Taking what? Taking a book. Mengambil buku itu daripada kakaknya. So Farah is taking the book from her sister. Kalau tiada buku, let's say if there's no word buku, Farah mengambil itu daripada kakaknya. Farah taking what from her sister? Okay, so it means that there must be an object. If not, the sentence will be not complete. Tidak akan ada maknanya pada ayat itu. There's no meaning for the sentence. Okay, now we go to the next one. Melihat. Okay, melihat is seeing, looking. Okay, Nabila melihat bulan. So bulan is an object. Yang cantik itu. Okay, Nabila melihat apa yang cantik itu. So there must be an object. Melihat apa yang cantik itu. Ataupun I can change bulan. Nabila melihat Isabel yang cantik itu. Nabila melihat Shannon yang cantik itu. Nabila melihat Kalista yang cantik itu. Okay, so there must be a noun after kata kerja transitive. So if you understand, clap your hand once. Okay, if you don't understand, we will repeat this video again. Okay, now the third one, menulis, writing. Zack menulis cerita, the story. Zack writing the story dengan baik. Okay, so cerita is an object, a noun. Okay, the story is a noun. Okay, menarik, pulling. Ayah menarik pintu biliknya dengan kuat. Ayah is pulling the bedroom door. Okay, so door is an object, is a noun. So mesti ada selepas kata kerja transitif. After kata kerja transitif, there must be an object. Okay, if not, kalau tiada kata kerja transitif, your sentence is incomplete. Okay, we don't know what you are talking about. Okay, for example. Okay, next one, memasang, putting up. Kakak memasang langsir. Langsir mean curtain. Okay, di rumah. So kakak memasang, putting up the curtain at home. Okay, understand? So if you didn't put langsir, curtain, kakak memasang di rumah. What she pasang? What she putting up? Okay, what she put on? Okay, we don't know. So kakak memasang langsir, the curtain, di rumah. So you understand now? So after kata kerja transitive, mesti ada object. There is an object after kata kerja transitive. Okay, I give you latihan. I give you one exercise. Take a screenshot of this. Okay, take a screenshot. And then after this, you will do in your exercise book. Okay, we go to the first one. Menyiram, watering. Watering what? What you want to water? Okay, menyiram pokok bunga. Okay, Rido menyiram pokok bunga di taman. So, menyiram apa? Pokok bunga. What you siram? What you water? The pokok bunga, the flower. Okay, understand? There must be a noun after kata kerja transitif. Okay, second one, menyapu. Isabel menyapu. Menyapu apa? Menyapu sampah, the trash. Okay, di bilik. Isabel menyapu lantai, sweeping the floor. Okay, di rumah. Okay, if you just put Isabel menyapu, maybe yes, it's correct, but menyapu apa? Okay, now next one, memotong, cutting. Kalista memotong. Potong apa? Potong orang. Okay, memotong buah epal di dapur. Okay, so please answer all, take a screenshot, and then after this, copy in your exercise book. Okay, so ingat kata kerja transitif must be an object at the back. Mesti ada kata nama or nouns. Okay, at the back, behind, after the kata kerja. Okay, we go to the next one. Kata kerja tak transitif. Okay, kata kerja tak transitif. You see the word tak. Tak means tidak. Okay, tidak maksudnya tidak menerima objek atau kata nama or nouns. Okay, tidak menerima objek. Tidak ada kata nama di belakang dia. Okay, and it doesn't need an object because the meaning of the sentence already perfect, already complete. Okay, and you can put an adverb after kata kerja tak transitif. Teacher, I don't know what is adverb. What is kata keterangan? Okay, keterangan is not an object. It's not a name, a noun. Okay, kata nama. But what is kata adverb ataupun kata keterangan? Let's see the next example. Contoh kata kerja tak transitif. Okay, mengintai. The first one, mengintai. Picking. Daniel mengintai di celah-celah pohon. Di celah-celah pohon, this is an adverb. Okay, if you don't put this, For example, Daniel menginta. It's already complete. Okay, the meaning is there. Daniel is speaking. Okay, Daniel is speaking among the trees. Okay, di celah-celah pohon. Okay, so I just put some adverb at the back. Okay, berduduk, sitting. Nenek sedang berduduk di kerusi roda. If I just put nenek sedang berduduk, yes, it's the meaning is already there. It's complete. Okay, nenek sedang berduduk di kerusi roda, on the wheelchair. So I just put an adverb. Okay, di kerusi roda, on the wheelchair. Next one, melompat, jumping. Kucing itu melompat. The cat is jumping. Yes, it's already complete. The meaning is already complete. But I want to put some adverb. For example, dari tingkap rumah. From the house window. Okay, from the window. Okay, so kucing itu melompat dari tingkap rumah. From the window. Kucing itu melompat dari tingkap rumah. Okay, now next one, stop, berhenti. Bas itu berhenti. Full stop. The bus stop. But I want to put adverb, keterangan, di tepi jalan raya, beside the road. Okay, bus itu berhenti di tepi jalan raya. So you must remember, kata kerja tak transitive doesn't need object, doesn't need a noun, but you can put adverb. And if you realize, kalau kamu perasan, kata adverba, okay, adverb ini, kata keterangan ini, selepas kata kerja tak transitif adalah kata sendi nama. Di means at. It's a preposition. Okay, di, at, dari, from. Semasa is when, during. Okay, tersenyum, smiling. Cikgu tersenyum. Full stop. It's already, the meaning is already complete. The teacher smile. Okay, cikgu tersenyum semasa lagu raya dimainkan. The teacher smiles when the Hari Raya song is being played. Okay, understand? So if you just put cikgu tersenyum, it's already, there's a meaning. Okay, the meaning already complete. Now, to make you more understand, please copy this kata kerja tak transitif into your exercise book. Take a screenshot. Then after this you do. Okay, I will give you some example. Okay, cikgu bagikan beberapa contoh. The first one, bernyanyi, singing. Okay, Isabel bernyanyi. Okay, it's already a sentence, but put an adverb. Letak kata keterangan di belakang dia. Isabel bernyanyi di dalam bilik. Shannon bernyanyi di atas pentas. Rido bernyanyi di dalam bilik. Okay, berlari, running. Jaden berlari di taman rekreasi. So Jaden is running. Where? At where? Put adverb. Di taman rekreasi. Okay, berdiri. Who else? Farid berdiri di tepi rumahnya. Farid standing next to his house. Okay. For berjalan, walking, and bertanding, competition. Okay. Bertanding, you do by yourself. Okay. This is your word. Okay, so take a screenshot. After this, you can write in your exercise book, or you can play this video again. Okay, this is the latihan exercise. Okay, first exercise, gariskan kata kerja transitif. Okay, kata kerja transitif means there is an object after the verb. Okay, selepas kata kerja transitif, there is a kata nama, there is a noun, object. Okay, let's see the first one. Look at the picture. Lihat gambar tersebut. Datuk, the grandpa. Mengasah, menganyam. Mengasah mean make it sharpen. Menganyam, weaving. Weaving. Okay. Kapak itu the axe. Okay, sehingga tajam, until it become sharp, until sharp. Okay, now I already put the vocabulary under each question. You may download this from Google Classroom. Okay, you can download this from Google Classroom. Okay, please do print it out. Okay, kamu boleh cetak, kamu boleh print keluar and then jawab. Okay, ataupun kamu jawab di dalam Google Classroom. Okay, so second one, look at the picture. Okay, ibu, is it menjemur or menjerang air? See, there's a kata nama here, there's a noun. Okay, dengan cerek elektrik. So what the mother do? She is boiling the water. So which word refers to boiling? Brings the meaning of boiling. Menjemur, menjemur what? Okay, menjerang, menjerang what? Okay, so you can see from the vocabulary that I sent to you. Okay, second exercise, latihan. Berpandukan gambar yang diberi according to the picture given. Okay, based on the picture given, isikan tempat kosong. You need to fill in the blank dengan kata kerja tak transitif, with kata kerja tak transitif. So you must remember, tak means there is no object. Okay, jalur gemilang. Jalur gemilang means this flag, the Malaysian flag. Okay, berkibar, bersinar dengan megahnya. See, after the word, there is no noun here. Tak ada kata nama. There is no object. This is preposition. Okay. Jalur gemilang, berkibar, waving, bersinar, shining. Okay. Dengan megahnya, proudly. Okay, so which one is the answer? Yes, your answer should be berkibar, waving. Okay, so jalur gemilang, you need to write here berkibar dengan megahnya. See, after each sentence, after the kata kerja tak transitive, there is no noun. Okay, there's no noun, only preposition, adverb. Okay, so I already put the vocabulary under each question. You can download from Google Classroom. Kamu boleh download daripada Google Classroom. Kalau tak faham, nanti kamu ulang sahaja. You just repeat this video, ulang sahaja video ini. Okay, so that's all for today. This is your homework. Okay, siapkan tugasan buku aktiviti. You can rujuk Google Classroom. Okay, I already sent which page you need to answer. Okay, I think some of you already done it. Okay, if you haven't done, please finish it. Okay, check which page I asked you to answer. Okay, number 2, siapkan latihan bina ayat. You need to finish your bina ayat just now. Kata kerja tak transitif dan kata kerja transitif. Okay, this one. Okay, finish this one and this one. Okay, after that, muat turun or download latihan bahasa Melayu tahun 2. Okay, from Google Classroom. Just download it or you can answer from there. Siapkan tugasan tersebut. Okay, finish it dan hantar semua. Turn in, pass up. Okay, dalam bentuk gambar in picture or in PDF. You can print this out. Okay, it's from your Google Classroom. I already put there a PDF file. Okay, you can download it. Kamu boleh muat turun and answer. Okay, I think that's all for today. I hope you will understand. If you understand, please clap your hand once. Okay, if you don't understand, clap 2. Okay, and then repeat the video again. Okay, if you still don't understand, just send me a message. Okay, I will reply if you don't understand. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you. See you